Hello guys, Chandrayaan-3 mission to place India among top players, says former ISRO scientist Nambi Narayana. Top 10 points. The launch vehicle Mark III M4 vehicle with Chandrayaan-3 at the launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The upcoming Chandrayaan-3 mission by the Indian Space Research Organization is scheduled to take off from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh at 2:35 p.m. IST on Friday, July 14. Here are the top 10 updates. First, the mission follows Chandrayaan-2 where the scientists aim to demonstrate various capabilities including reaching the orbit of the moon, making a soft landing on the lunar surface using a lander and a rover coming out of the lander to study the surface of the moon. Ahead of India's ambitious space program Chandrayaan-3, former ISRO scientist Nambi Narayana on Thursday said its successful landing will make India only the fourth nation to achieve this and it would increase the potential for space science development in the country. Presently, India's presence in the $600 billion industry stands at a modest 2%. Narayana further highlighted that with the introduction of a private participation in the technology development, there would be expanded prospect for the startup and enter the sector. The successful mission would see India enter an elite club of nations achieving such a feat. The others are United States, China, former Soviet Union. The spacecraft will be launched on a GSLV Mark III heavy lift launch vehicle. This will be the Indian Space Research Organization follow-up and attempt after the Chandrayaan-2 mission faced challenge during its soft landing in 2019. A day ahead of the Chandrayaan-3 mission, a team of ISRO scientists on Thursday visited and offered prayers at the Tirupati Venkatapalli temple in Andhra Pradesh with a miniature model of Chandrayaan-3. If all goes well, Chandrayaan-3 will be the first spacecraft to land on Moon's South Pole, demonstrating India's technical prowess and a bold space-faring ambition. Chandrayaan-3 mission will demonstrate a safe and a soft landing on the lunar surface, rover roving on the moon, and conducting in situ scientific experiment. ISRO invited citizens to witness the launch of the much-awaited Chandrayaan-3 from the viewing gallery at Sriharikota. During the Chandrayaan-2 mission, ISRO lost contact with the lander when it was just a notch away from the moon's surface. Upon landing, it will operate for one lunar day, which is approximately 14-hour day. One day on moon is equal to 14 days on Earth. K. Sivan, former director of ISRO, told ANI that the success of mission Chandrayaan-3 will give a moral boost to programs like Gaganyaan. Chandrayaan-3 development phase commenced in January 2020 with plans to launch it somewhere in 2021, but the COVID-19 pandemic caused delays in the development process. The major discovery of the Chandrayaan-1 mission launched in 2008 is the detection of the water and the hydroxyl on the lunar surface that also revealed their enhanced abundance towards the polar region. The primary science objective of the mission was to prepare a three-dimensional atlas of both the near and the far sides of the moon and to conduct chemical and mineralogical mapping of the entire lunar surface with a high spatial resolution, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center under ISRO had said. So guys, तब तक के लिए goodbye, टाटा, bye bye.